I have just received my first DegustaBox for September, and here's what I got in it. Burt lentil waves, sour cream and chive. The same again in Thai sweet chili. And in lightly salted. Some I can't pronounce that. Seville orange marmalade. Two carnation cook with it light cream sauce for savoury dishes. Little Miracles energy drinks. Three little raspberry and sweet basil dressing from Naturally Righteous. And in lemon and mustard seed dressing. And this one is mild English blue cheese and cider dressing. Cranberries, fruits, alcoholic zesty lemon. Be having that later. John Crabbe's traditional cloudy lemonade. Hiccup milk chocolate and black and white chocolate bars. Elizabeth Shaw dark chocolate mint thins. And what we always eat, some Jordan's simply granola. And this is in crunchy baked oats flavoured with a hint of honey. And you can see my full review of these on my blog at www.serenityu.com. Okay, bye!